Well. Happy New Year. And you already know what we about to be on, okay? Now, I know we gonna leave last year, okay? And we about to get it cracking with this year, okay? So this is the very first vlog. So this is the very first vlog of the year, and we getting off to a start, you feel me? So I'm about to go to this gym. I'm about to go run into Planet Fitness real quick. I'm still at 24. We have a little technical difficulties with my bill, but I don't know if y'all can see me, the lighting. But let's get in here. Let's see if we can record and whatnot in here, you know? We definitely feeling petite. Like, we're definitely feeling petite, you know? So let's go.
Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. It's not bad, they be on my ass. I could hear you hating from the back. Balenciaga baddie got a bag. Nigga munching ate it from the back. Nigga feeling gotta play it cool. Got the zaddy, I'ma make a move. Breaking records and I'm breaking news. Bitch be pressed like who you? I get whatever I like. Bitches won't bark, but they wanna bite. I got 2 million for using a mic. Bitch, think about that when you type. She wanna party with spice, and the body gon' eat. Bon appetit, ass on fat, the waist on sweet. Ginger hair, pretty gon' beat. How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, look in the mirror, I'm feeling me. Stacking money with a ceiling beat. 20 to stand on the couch, run out of town, fucks be feeling me. He like the way that I dress. Throwing Balenciaga to flex. Like me, I got no obsessed. Them bitches see me as a threat. The baddest in the room, so tell them to make room. Diamonds glistening on my boo. They gon' listen to my tune. Flow the nicest, but I'm rude. I like niggas, bitches too. Ayo, baddie, what it do? Ayo, Maddie, what it do? Can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn.
Cause I'm lonely. Hopefully you gon' phone me. I don't cap on no phony. You don't believe you don't know me. I don't be playing no games. I just want you on the same. But you don't hear what I'm saying. That it's all just some game. Yeah, I don't play. Yeah, the fucking play. Yeah, girl, I go explain. Come and put it on me, babe. Pulling up, yeah, you know I won't be late. Pussy acting up, yeah, you know it's gon' be, hey. Give me love, love me like you know me, babe. Waking up, and you know it's on me, hey. Got 100 different reasons just to go and play. I ain't tryna show you pussy, yeah, it's only shade. Let the city see it, titties, girl, don't close these shades. She naked when she be with me, giving clothes a break. Pussy get wetter for me like it knows my face. She ride it until she come and make my nose ring crack. So when they hit it, make her feel like she got no spring break. I hit it until the box without no spring spray. I hit it till the pussy look like it don't seem straight. If you coolin' with your bitch, make sure you don't bring shade. If she thirsty for the dick, you know I won't restrain. I did some water on the floor, no it won't be rain. Killin' the pussy made me hungry, need a 4-piece bag. Don't want your bitch, she look like she from where the dope fiends hang. I'm in the city where the motherfucking coke fiends hang. Don't wanna fuck a bitch and give a bitch a nosebleed thing. Calling your phone cause I'm lonely.
Okay, so today is Monday, and you know what, I have a lot to tell y'all. Like, when I tell y'all your girl went back to work, I know, but I don't really know how I'm feeling about it, you know. Like, I've been off work for a very long time and I like it, so I don't know if I need to figure out something. Okay, today is Monday. Of course the kids have to go to school. Please excuse me, I'm trying to get my life ready. My daughter is already up. I'm about to get my son up. Like, he's up, but he went back to sleep. You know how kids is. You know how they do. They be like, you know what, I'm up, but I'm going right back to sleep. And I need to go to Trader Joe's I need to go to Walmart because since I'm back at work, guess what we gotta do? We gotta meal prep. You feel me? Because we have to make sure that we're staying focused. You feel me? Like, we not about to be, it's 2026, okay? Body is snatched. We on the same thing as last year, okay? No new resolutions over here. Like, we on the same consistency. So meal prep, and of course I'm gonna hit the gym. I'm gonna go to Planet. I don't know, I'm gonna try to go to Planet. If not, I'm gonna be back at 24. Yeah, I don't really know how I feel about Planet. I know a lot of people, don't get in my comments. I know a lot of people like it, it's cheap or whatever. Yeah, it's cheap. The plans is cheap, yeah. I don't really like they weights. Like, I was like using the dumbbells and it only go up to 45. I'm way past 45. So it's like I need to get back. I need to be over here at 24, okay? Planet ain't for me. It might be from some people. And when I tell you it's packed, I'm like, okay. But I don't feel like I'm getting it in, okay? So Trader Joe's. Okay, first of all, let's start right here. School drop off, Trader Joe's, okay? Walmart. I might do Instacart and have Walmart come to me because I'm really not in the mood for it. And then the gym. And I think I want to go to Kava. I'm gonna take y'all along. I don't know if y'all have been eating Kava. I don't know where Kava been all my life, but have you ever just felt like y'all need something healthy and good at the same time? Something healthy and bussin', okay? Because that's where I'm at with it. Getting my body and my soul right. And then I have some other things I need to do at home that I need to work on, like the stuff that's on my vision board. The stuff that's on my vision board. And I just got my hair done. I'm gonna show y'all later. I just got a little cute little ponytail, you know. I was feeling a little bit of hair depressed, and it's a real thing. Now I feel like, okay, I'm back. Okay, so enough chit chat. I'm gonna catch y'all in the car. Okay, y'all, I don't know if y'all could see me, but I'm at Trader Joe's. I'm not gonna take you with me because you've been to Trader Joe's before with me. Let's go real quick. Back to Trader Joe's. Let me just show y'all what I got real quick. Mind you, I told y'all I'm going to milk. And then I got some chicken. I just got some chicken. So I got some chicken dumplings. And y'all know I had to get me some shrimp burgers. And yes, I'm back up on the shrimp burgers. Quick and easy meal prep, you know? And then I've been wanting some meatballs, so I think I'm gonna try to put like barbecue sauce in there or something like that. But I don't know, I never tried these from Trader Joe's before, but and I had to get me some water. I don't know how y'all feel about this water. I like this water. Next to Eternal water. So I got 3 of them. So then I just got some of these real quick. And these is for my son. He loves these. I never really ate these before, but it's like a healthier fruit roll-up or whatever. And he loves these. So basically this is it. Doing chicken. I got shrimp. I'm doing shrimp and vegetables. That's why I got these. And then I'm gonna make some honey, like soy sauce chicken. And yeah, come on, we got other things to do. Come on.
Photo shoot. Pause, pause, pause.
What up? Your girl is back, okay? I done went to Trader Joe's. I'm still gonna order my stuff from Walmart, but guess what came today, okay? Because you know what? I'm still doing my lashes, you feel me? Still doing my lashes, and guess what? Little unboxing. So I just was like, I'm gonna order some new lash supplies because I gotta get it cracking. Okay, I'm really like, that's one of my main focuses this year. And like I told you, I got some stuff on my vision board that I am working on and I'm trying to concentrate on, and being a lash tech is definitely one of them. Okay, so I was just like, let me order some new lash supplies so I could get it cracking. So I ordered some of these because let me tell y'all, when I first started doing lashes, my boo, he bought me a kit or whatever, but I don't know, it's like, it was like, okay, like I'm happy that, you know, he bought me this kit, it had the stuff in there, but once I started doing research and started watching the girls, you feel me, do lashes and stuff, I was like, maybe I don't have the right, maybe this is not the right stuff. So then I started to see, like, okay, they have this type of tape, because it was the pink tape. I know people are using the blue tape. Like, it was like little stuff like that. And I know I never had these. I don't know if you could see it. Let me see. These little wipes. So they're like heart-shaped wipes. I never had those. I'm like, what do people do with those? So I ordered me some of those. And then, what else I ordered? And then I ordered some glue and some other stuff. That'll be here a different day. But I ordered new lash trays. So these are new lash trays. I ordered about, I think, I ordered a few of them. So I could just start getting it cracking, because I don't know if the other lash trays I had, like, I don't know. I don't really know about them. So I just decided to try this company. I was with a different company, but I don't really know. It wasn't doing what it needs to do. So I'm just like, well, maybe, first I thought it was me. Then I thought maybe it's the supply. So I was like, let me get me some more supplies. So I have these. And basically, like, if I'm being technical, I can't do lashes today because I have stuff. Like, I have a lash bed, I have tape, I have lash trays, I have tweezers, and, you know, I have been practicing, so that's one of the things that I'm working on today. And of course, I still have my business. I'm gonna put it down here, Lavender Rose Boutique. I'm still trying to get those clothes off so I could order new clothes, because I was into like a storage space and I have more storage. Now that I moved back home, I gotta get some clothes. I gotta get these clothes out. I gotta make some room. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I don't know if y'all want to see me do that. I'm just about to be working on my business. I'm at home chilling. Yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna show y'all my meal prep. I'm trying to see how many days that I want to do, because I don't want to do too far in advance. Like, I think I'm gonna just probably meal prep 2 days, because I have shrimp. I gotta order some stuff from Walmart. I need to get something like potatoes or something, like, cause like I wanted to, it has to make sense. Like, I have the protein and then I have some vegetables. I could pretty much do protein and vegetables, but I don't want to get bored. That's why I'm gonna do 2 days. And I have the shrimp burger. I probably might do sweet potato fries or something like that. And so when it's time for the meal prep, I'm gonna tap back in. But until then, okay, y'all, I'm just tapping in. When I was meal prepping, I just was like, you know what, I'm just gonna be about my day. So here I got shrimp and some vegetables. Those vegetables that you see me buy from Trader Joe's. So I got those. I just sauteed them. So I got 2 of those. And then this one I have strawberries. Not strawberries. I got what are these? Cherries. And then I got some oranges. right? And then in the other one, I got cherries and raspberries, okay? So I'm getting ready to, I ordered something from Walmart, some potatoes. So I'm waiting for those to come, and then I'm gonna cook this chicken. I just got the little one. I'm gonna put, I seen this thing on what is it, TikTok, from my girl Keisha, and she made like honey, it was like soy sauce and honey. So I'm going to end this video off right here. I end up not doing anything much but working on my business. Now, if you like videos like this, you want to see more videos, you already know what to do. Comment down below. I always talk back, and I'm going to catch you in the next one.
I'm in New York and you're on Long Island. I don't even treat you that good.